right now. Bible quotation number 1. I am an antichrist. I am an antichrist. I know what I want and I know how to get it. Want to destroy the passerbys, 'cause I wanna be anarchy in the fucking city. Anarchy for the UK. It's coming someday, maybe. I give a wrong time, stop a traffic line. Your future dream is a shopping scheme. 'Cause I wanna be anarchy in this fucking city. The only way to be. Right now. How many ways to get what you want? I use the best, I use the rest, I use the enemy, I use anarchy, 'cause I wanna be anarchy in the fucking city. Follow me. Right now. Woo! Is this the MPLA? Or is this the UDA? Is this the IRA? I thought it was the UK. Or just another fucking country. Cancel Tennessee in the UK, and I wanna be, yeah, anarchy, the Antichrister, and I wanna be anarchy. Fuck this human race. And I wanna be Antichrister, yeah. And I wanna be, yeah, anarchy in this fucking city, the only way to be. And I want to be Antichrister. Get pissed and fucking destroy everything. Get pissed and destroy. Yeah. 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 Hope you like the song. It's a tough one to sing, it really is. The Sex Pistols, Anarchy in the UK. Anarchy could be Antichrist or Antichrist this or whatever. Subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Share the 13,000 videos with your friends, family, and enemies. But do me one favor, subscribe. Subscribe until it hurts. Share the 13,000 videos of Dennis Ramsay. I put out the effort and try to sing you these songs and put a new twist on them. Know what I mean? Subscribe and share and take care. Bye for now.